My brother, my eldest brother, he moved to Australia and he was been working there as an orthopedic surgeon. He was very keen that I moved to Australia to do my masters. Um, on one hand, he was saying that come to Australia and do masters. On one hand, I felt that my experiences of having worked with Bharat and all that, saying that maybe I should give it a shot, starting my own practice. The fact that my wife was expecting our first child was also tilted it to this scale of saying that I want to move back to Chennai. I'm going to be a father and we're going to raise a family, and I prefer to raise a family at home in Madras rather than elsewhere. So that prompted me to come back to Madras. And incidentally, all these things, they have a way of reappearing in life. Bharat ended up picking up a job for a school there in Sri Lanka, and he used to come there often. And he ended up spending a lot of time with me because I also had the opportunity to take him and show him Baba's work. Right? At that time, I was throwing up this idea of saying that, look, I've been told that I can go and do my masters, or I can come back to Madras and start practice. He said, true, Bharat is one of a kind. A gentleman to the core, and he's got no qualms about helping people. He immediately said, if you're coming back to Madras, I'll give you a job. Come and work part-time for me. I cannot offer, we are already 5 partners. And no way can I offer you anything more than just a part-time job now. Right? I'll be fooling myself if I said that, you work with me and I'll give you something later on. I can't. You come and join our firm, work part-time, work in the mornings. You'll be paid a salary, which will help you tide over things. And in the afternoons, start your own practice and use Bharat and Associates as a runway to take off. This is his true inspiration.
That is extremely generous.
Absolutely, that's what I'm saying. So that's why I said that some things keep coming back to you. That's why Bharat came back to my life, or rather I went back to his life.
And I have another little interesting coincidence here. It was only through Mr. Bharat that I got introduced to you.
Oh, is that so?
Back in 2005.
Right.
So I had met him very early on. And I had met him, Miss Jayashree, and the other partners in the firm.
Tara, Chinu, and all of them.
Yeah.
Balaji, yeah.
At first, I only met both of them, and they gave a guy who was just starting off the time of day to even talk about my work, let alone their own work. And I can see that generosity that you just mentioned. I saw it in a very small way, but it was there. They didn't know me at all.
They were all great people to, as friends,
yes,
as people to look up upon, and as an office to work. So, and they were also very gracious enough to say that, they were quite a large firm. There were all these additions and alterations jobs that will come. He would very, very generously give those jobs to me and say, use this for your practice. So there were about 5-6 jobs, like those small jobs, that helped me start my own. But starting my own is, again, it's easier said than done. Through my co-brother who was in the round table, he came to know that one of his tablers is wanting a house to be built on TTK Road, which is a prominent address. That guy was a Gujarati businessman. So my co-brother casually mentioned him, saying that I've got this, my co-brother who's come back from Sri Lanka. He's got different ideas to what you generally see. Why don't you give him a chance? So that was my first job that I landed up. And so there again, when you're given one chance, you can never afford to screw up. It's that one chance that can either make or break you. So you have to stand upside down to make sure, it makes you, not breaks you. When I did that house, all my influences of Baba, all the influence of getting courtyards within built spaces started coming back. And that house actually was a very cute little house that slowly started attracting attention on TTK Road. So that is my first job.